Hi guys, and today I'm going to help you set up your pace alerts for your Garmin Forerunner 45 or 245. I'm also going to give you a demonstration on how it works. Stay with me, we're going to get into some great detail. Hi guys, if you're new here, my name is Shane Bow. Please press subscribe now. I make running videos, running tech videos and how-to videos. I'm here to really help you out. So, pace alerts. It's one of the main reasons that I chose to move up from my phone, which used to be in my pocket, to a watch on my arm. I was going way too fast and just getting tired too quickly. My main objective was to cover distance, not speed, and that's pretty much still what I do now. I'd rather cover a longer distance than do speed work. So I wanted something that I could just glance at to see exactly what I was doing. But with the pace alerts, it will take it one step further for you. If you drop out of your pace zone that you've set, it will vibrate and beep at you as well. So you don't even need to look at your watch at the end of the day either. You just know. Over a period of time then, you're just going to get used to what that pace is. And then if you want to move on to another pace, you can then just change it on your watch and then you can start getting used to that pace. But after a while, you will know what pace you're running at, which is fantastic. So I want to show you exactly how this works now out on an actual run. So I'm out running here with my Forerunner 245. The 45 alerts and the setup are exactly the same, guys. So you can see on the middle on the left-hand side, I'm currently running at 8:50 pace. I've set the alarms to go off between 8:30 and 9-minute pace. So I'm picking up some speed now and I want it to alert me that I'm going too fast. So here we go, I'm running too fast. My current pace is actually 7:09, so I'm well over that pace. So I'm just going to slow down now and really slow down to make the alert come up really, really quick. And it's going to tell me any second that I am going too slow. There we are, I'm going way too slow at 9:45. So as you can see, it works really well and it's definitely going to be really, really helpful. One bit of advice I will throw in there before I show you how to set it up is vary your runs. So you've got this new pace alert zone, but don't just do that run. Sometimes you might want to run further at a slower pace. Sometimes you might just want to run at a slower pace. Sometimes you might want to do some hill work. And sometimes you want to do some interval training where you're running at completely different speeds. There are some more how-to videos on those coming up, so please press subscribe. What I now want to do is show you how to set it up on my wrist.
It's quite easy really. Press start just here, then select your run, and then go up to options, and then go down, and then you've got run settings. Click that, then go to alerts, you want to add new. Okay, so you've got custom, you've got heart rate, run, walk, and then you've got pace. So we're going to choose pace. Want a fast alert? Do we want the fast alert on or off? Well, yeah, we do. So we're going to say if we're going to go faster than 8 minutes, we want an alert. We're just going to leave the seconds on 0. And there we go. And then we want a slow alert. So we'll say if we're running slower than 10 minutes, then we want an alert. There we are. And then that is done. So if we run faster than 8 minutes, it's going to beep and vibrate. If we run it slower than 10 minutes, again, it's going to beep and vibrate. And that is ready to go.
Pace alerts, sorted. So you can now go out and run at the pace that you want to run at, which is brilliant news. Guys, I'd be really interested. I've got lots of how-to videos planned, but which ones would you like to see next? Comment below and I will add those to my list, which would be brilliant news. If you could press subscribe, or you do want to come back, you've enjoyed the video, then please press subscribe. It helps grow my channel and also you get to see me again. I will pop up on your front page on your YouTube screen. If the video's been helpful, then please press like. Guys, thanks very much for dropping by again and I'll see you again really soon.